Hey dude, what you got there? It's a party bag. Party bag, huh? You having a little party? There's a party in here. Wow, okay. So I've got a couple of things in here. One of them is a mixed up cube like this. Okay, one that's mixed up. I could never solve that, you know. Hopefully you've got one that's solved in there. And the other one is another cube actually, but this one's solved. Oh, you have? Okay. So, can you tell me which one you want? You want me to pick which one? I want the one that's mixed up, please. You want the mixed up one? Sure. Here you are. Okay, yeah. And since we don't need the other one, we'll just make it disappear. No, I guess we don't need the other one, do we? Whoa! What the heck? So yeah, it's completely gone. How do you just make that disappear? Where's it gone? How?